oil service light, EPB brake pads, new battery needing registration. Sound familiar? What they don't tell you, most of that charge is not labor. It's just quick scan tool button operations. This little thing costs about as much as one dealer service reset. So today, we're making it pay for itself 4 times over. 4 of the most common service resets on real cars with the iCARZONE MA200 Plus. Running total starts now. 6 jobs: oil reset, electronic parking brake, steering angle, DPF regeneration, battery registration, and tire pressure sensors. Chapter markers are below, but stick around, the total at the end is going to surprise you. Find your OBD2 port under the dash driver's side on almost every car since 1996. Plug in, and the iCARZONE MA200 Plus identifies the car automatically. No VIN typing, no setup. Here's the whole job: uncut, tap service, tap oil reset. The scanner already knows the car, so it takes us straight to the right procedure: confirm and reset. That progress bar, that's the scanner talking to the ECU and zeroing the maintenance counter, and done. That's the entire dealer service. Service, EPB, and listen, that's the motor winding the piston back, all by itself. Now the pads swap like any normal brake job. New pads in, wheel on, and back to the scanner. Run the calibration so the system relearns pad position. Hear it cycle? That's the parking brake testing itself. Engage, release, engage. No warning lights, full clamping force. This is exactly the procedure the dealership runs on the same kind of equipment. You fit a new battery, car starts, job done, right? Wrong. On most modern cars, the charging system keeps treating it like the old tired battery, overcharging it from day one. That's why new batteries die in 2 years. Registration tells the car it's new. Service, battery registration. It asks what we fitted, type and capacity straight off the label. AGM, 70 amp hours. Registered, done. And look at the live data. Charging voltage just changed. The car is now managing a brand new battery, not babying a dead one. Last job, you cleaned the throttle body or just disconnected the battery, and now the idle hunts up and down like the engine can't make up its mind. That's because the ECU lost its learned throttle position. Shops call the fix a relearn and bill for it. Here it is: service, throttle adaptation. The iCARZONE MA200 Plus walks you through it. Ignition on, follow the prompts, let it run the routine, and the ECU relearns exactly where closed and idle really are. Done. Everything you watched ran on the iCARZONE MA200 Plus. All system code scanning across 58 plus brands and the 6 most common service resets in a tool that costs less than 1 trip to the dealer. Every reset is in the description with its timestamp. iCARZONE, your car, your zone.